Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Dell Inspiron 3481 laptop. This one is a regulatory model P89g, and that information can be found on the bottom of the laptop on the bottom sticker. If you guys want to know exactly what it is, it's right there, Inspiron 3481 Reg as a regulatory model P89g. And in this video I'm going to go over how you can open it up and how you can swipe and replace or remove your battery if yours is not holding up any more charge or you just simply want to remove it. And by doing this, you're not going to lose any files or any data or anything like that. It's just simply a replacement. I'll try to get the link for the tools that I use and for the new battery in the video description, so check that if you need to purchase yours. For the screwdriver set, I'll be using UFIXTEK screwdriver set. They have one of the best bids out there. These are S2 class steel. That means they're really tough in steel. You're going to be using a Phillips #1. And on the bottom of the laptop, you're going to see a whole bunch of screws. You're going to remove everything except 3 screws, which are on the top right side by the hinge. This one, and this one, where the RJ45 is. So we're not going to touch this one for now. I'll show you why. We're going to remove the rest of them, and we're going to keep them in one pile as they are of the same size and height. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos useful, you can click that like and subscribe to support the channel. That way it motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. Once we remove all the screws, now let's go to these 3 screws that I was talking about. The C-lock, what it's going to do is going to push, as soon as you start rotating, it's going to push the armrests away from each other, from itself, so you're going to see a gap opening right there. In a second, there is the gap. So you see that tiny gap that opened right there? That's what it does. So now I try to remove this one here, you're going to see a big gap opening right there. There you go. Now there. So this way it's easy for you to stick the opening tool, in this case the guitar pick, in there so to can start opening the cover. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab ourselves the guitar pick, the opening tool, and we're going to stick it in between the bottom and top cover. And we just want to twist it backward. We're going to do this all around in the front end. You just want to peel it up. You want to hear those clicks, that's fine. That's what you want to hear. You want to do all the way to the back corner. Once you did the side, the front, that's fine. Just close up the lid, grab it, twist it around, wiggle it around, and it will release itself the bottom cover. And right away you can see the battery right in here. Let me see the battery model. The model for the battery is YRDD6. That's 3500 milliamp hour, 13.2 volt. And the model from the Dell, if you want to buy it directly from Dell, is a CN-0VM73B. That's the if you want to buy directly from them. This is a 2019 model battery. So in order to remove it, all you need to do first, let's go ahead and remove the screws. So there should be 4 screws holding it down, 1 on each corner. So remove the 4 screws. All right, once you remove the 4 screws, go ahead and pull this tape over. You want to put your fingers at the back of the jack right there on the neck, and then you just want to pull it back evenly. Now you can just grab it and lift it up. This one is kind of inflated. I don't have a replacement for this one, just for demonstration. When you get a new battery, it's not going to provide you with this connector. You want to pull this connector, hold it really close nearby on the connector, and just pull it backward. So yours is going to be like this. You want to put this adapter right in there, evenly, all the way in. Okay, and then you want to set it down in the screw holes, make sure it's matching. Then you want to grab the connector, evenly push it towards the jack, and then pinch it right in there. And the last thing down here would be to just put the 4 screws on the battery. It is very important that how you're going to do your first initial charge is very, very important when you get a new battery. Do not go ahead and turning it on right away. You want to plug it into the charger in an off mode for at least 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours. I would recommend you guys. After 6 hours, you want to power it on without the charger and leave it powered on until the battery drains completely. Once it's drained, you want to shut it down and you want to leave it charging again 4 to 5 hours. And after that, you can use it the way you wish. All right, to put in the bottom cover, I put it on. I'm just going to squeeze every corner except this corner. Because as soon as I start twisting these screws, it's going to pull the palm rest to itself. And it should pull the palm rest. And the last thing would be to just grab the rest of the screws and just put them all over the place. Again, I hope you guys liked this video and helped you guys out. If you did, think about subscribing and clicking that like button. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.